It's me, Anam Hanif Khan, and I welcome you in your English literature class. As last week we have started our chapter, that is unit number 5, our drive in the motor car. We have completed the reading and then we move towards the words meaning, and we have also completed the question answer. Now it's time to move ahead. Today we're going to attempt the exercises of the same chapter. Firstly, we will attempt that is exercise B, part 2. It is on page number 58. Okay, I'm going to show you this. That is page number 58. That is page number 58. This is the second part of this exercise. Reference to context. Reference to context. You know very well how to attempt it. First, you're going to read out the statement. What is the statement? Back it out of the hedge, my mother said, and hurry. There are three questions. The first question is, what is in the hedge and why? The question is, what is in the hedge and why? You are supposed to write the answer like, the answer will be, one of the small sisters has landed in the middle of the hedge due to accident. I'm repeating, one of the small sisters has landed in the middle of the hedge due to accident. Okay, then question number 2. Why is it necessary to hurry? You're going to write, it is necessary to hurry because the son's nose has been cut quite badly and needs the attention of a doctor. Repeating, it is necessary to hurry because the son's nose has been cut quite badly and needs the attention of a doctor. Then move towards the third one. It is, why is all this more complicated than it seems? Then in the answer you will write, it is more complicated than it seems because the boy's nose is hanging only by a single thread of skin. Repeating, it is more complicated than it seems because the boy's nose is hanging only by a single thread of skin. That will be your reference to context. You're going to attempt part 2. It is mentioned on page number 58 and there are 3 questions in it. Then your next exercise on the same page, that is exercise 3, part 1. It is the question that find 2 meanings in the dictionary for each of the following. It will be done as you attempt your words meaning. You will make the column, you will write the word which is given in the book and the portion of the words. Then you will find out 2 meanings for each word. For example, the first word we have given, it is stole. Stole means scarf or muffler. You have listened this word stoler. It comes from this. Stole means scarf or muffler. This is the first meaning. The second meaning of stole is robbed. Okay. Then number 2, clutch. Clutch means, the first meaning, clutch means part of the car that needs to be pressed to change gear. Okay, this is the first meaning. Second meaning of clutch is grab. Okay, third is concentrate. Concentrate means focus. This is the first meaning. Concentrate means focus. The second meaning is not dilute. The word you will write is, as the second meaning is not dilute. Okay. Fourth word is pedestrian. Pedestrian, first meaning you will write a person walking on foot. This is the first meaning. The second will be dull. Pedestrian means dull. Then fifth one is spur. Spur means stimulus. The first meaning is stimulus. The second one will be urge. Okay, then the sixth word, the last word is rock. Rock, you know very well, rock means stone. The second meaning of rock is move back and forth. You might have listened the word rocking chair. So rocking means move back and forth. These are two meanings of. You will make the column and write the both meanings. Okay. Then your next exercise, which is to attempt, is exercise D, part 2, and it is on page number 59. As exercise D has started from page number 58, but it was part 1. You have to attempt part 2 from page number 59. Okay, that is, the question is, correct the mistakes in the following. Okay, what will be the method of attempting this one exercise? There is a statement given. In the complete statement, there is just one word which is written wrong. For attempting this exercise, you will write the statement which is given in the book with black. Then you will rewrite the same statement with the blue one, and you will highlight the mistake in the answer. Okay? Okay, I am reading the statement. The first sentence is, two little end sections could be angled backward to reflect the wind. The mistake is reflect. The word reflect will be changed into deflect. How will you attempt this? You will write this statement with black pen and you will underline the word reflect. Then you will rewrite the sentence and you will write deflect in place of reflect, so that your statement will be correct now. Then second is, my brother and one sister landed on the boot of the car. The mistake is boot and it will be changed by the word bonnet. Okay. Then third is, everyone with the exception of the driver, my mother and me, were out of the car. The mistake is were. It is written after me and my mother. My mother and me were. There will be was over there. The mistake is were. You will write was over there. Okay. Then D. The Harris driver was depressed. The clutch pedal and the gear mashed, and 1 second later the great black beast limped backward. And the complete statement, we are having a word depressed. It is not depressed, it is depressed. You will use a hyphen between depressed. It will be written like depressed. That will be the right word for this sentence in place of depressed. These are your exercises you have to attempt in the copy. All work will be done in the copy. I am repeating. You have to do, firstly, you have to do the reference to context part 2 from page number 58. Repeating the answer, the first answer is, one of the small sister has landed in the middle of the hedge due to accident. The second answer is, it is necessary to hurry because the son's nose has been cut quite badly and need the attention of a doctor. Third is, it is more complicated than it seems because the boy's nose is hanging only by a single thread of skin. You have to do this, then move towards the two meaning. I have told you the meanings. Then the third exercise is exercise D, part 2. You have to find out the mistake. I have told you the method as well. Try to do work as I have said. Okay. In this exercise, you have to rewrite the statement. Do not forget this. You have to rewrite the sentence with the correct word and highlight the correct word. Okay, this is all done for today. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next class with a new chapter.